Hello.
Very good morning, class. Myself is Anand, and I welcome you all in the another section of GK for standard third. So, in this class, we will learn about the similes. About the similes, we will learn, and we will discuss the chapter like a smile. Nowadays, we are as speaking that you are as good as we are comparing in our daily life. We are comparing each other. We used to say this boy is as good as Amitabh Bachchan. He is acting as good as Amitabh Bachchan, isn't it? You can say I am very smart. I am as smart as Salman Khan. You are saying that? So, if a person is very busy, if in your class, come we will discuss about the classroom. Let's come. Okay. So, in a classroom, when we go, we see a boy is sitting, he is dark. His color is dark. We can say, you are as black as blackboard. We can say, if you will see a person as fat as, you can say as fat as Pallavi ma'am. You can say that. So, as plumpy as a pumpkin. We can say that as plumpy as pumpkin. If you will see your friend is very tall, you will say, hey friend, you are as tall as a tower. We can say you are as tall as a tower. Or we can say you are as tall as a giraffe. We can say that. If a boy is busy, if a girl or a boy is very busy in writing, very busy in drawing, painting, always he used to study. What we can say? You are as busy as an ant. You are as busy as a bee. So when we are comparing two things, see, here I have compared Plumpy to a pumpkin. Okay, Plumpy means fat as pumpkin, as tall as a tower. This boy is as tall as a tower, as busy as an ant. If a person is very busy, we can say as busy as a ant. If you can see a girl, very beautiful girl, and she is very fair, she is very white, you can say as bright. Your face is as bright as sun. Okay, we can say our face is, or his face is, or her face is as bright as the sun. So these we are comparing. So what is similes? Where two things are directly compared because they share a common feature. When we compare two things, that these two things I am comparing, and when we compare the two things as good as bad as poor as nicer as beautiful as, when we are comparing two things and both things having same features, same type of similarities, we can call it as similes. Okay. So we will learn some more similes now. Let's start. Okay, then we will discuss some more example here. Let's help me to find out. Okay, I have written some of the questions, some of the examples over here. You just check. We will just check from this side. This is our clue box. What is this? This is our clue box. And from this clue box, we will just guess together and we will fill the columns here. So, as cold as. Tell me what will be as cold as. Snake or ox, lion, puppies, hare, honey, snail and ice. So as cold as, we can write here ice, as cold as ice. We can also give the example that if you have eating something, if you have drinking something, you can say my drink is as cold as an ice. My drink is as cold as an ice. We can say now. So as cold as an ice. Next one is as hard as. Next one is as hard as. So let's learn. Nail, ox, puppies. What we can say? Any guesses? That will be nails. Second one is nails. As hard as a nail. As hard as a nail. Okay. As hard as a nails. Our nails is very hard. The nail which we are having, the screw, the nails we used to insert it in a wall, isn't to hang something, that nail. Nail, as hard as nail, as cold as an ice. We can say as hard as a nail. Third number, as strong as an. We can compare with the strongest thing you have in our mind. As strong as ox. As strong as an ox. Because ox is the strongest animal we can see, isn't? So, as strong as an ox. As brave as a, you can see, as brave as lion. Yes, as brave as a lion. We should fight lion. We can say na ki ha, I am as brave as lion. We can say that. You can also say, yeah, myself, I am so brave. I am as brave as lion. People used to get afraid of me. I am very brave. I am as good as brave as a lion. So you should use this, okay? Now when you will talk, you can say, you will not only say that I am strong. You will say, I am as strong as brave as lion. I am as strong as an ox. Okay? Next is as quick as a. As quick. I am very quick. If you are comparing some quick thing, with whom you will compare? As quick as, just see here, as quick as hair. As quick as a hair. You have seen the rabbits. They are very quick. Quickly they will have something. Very quick. So as quick as a hair. Okay. Next one is as playful as a puppies. As playful as a puppies. You have seen the puppies, cute, very cute, small puppies. You have seen they will play together, they will jump, they will climb on each other, they will bark at each other, they will play very beautifully. You will love to see them playing, okay? So, as playful, when some people are there, some small children, you can say they are playing, they are fighting, they are loving each other, they will fight, they will quarrel, they will play. So, same with the puppies. We can say, you boys are as playful as puppies, isn't? We can say, the person, those who play, the people, the small children, those who play very much, we can compare them to the puppies. As playful as puppies. The puppies, those who are playing, the puppies are playing and they look very cute together. They look very awesome, adorable. You will think that I just take it in my hand. I will just take it in my lap. When you will see the puppies playing together, you will feel that I just take it up. I will kiss it. So, it's very beautiful to see them. It's very nice to see the puppies playing. So, we can say as playful as a puppy. As playful as puppies. Okay. Next one is as sweet as. When we have to compare someone, compare the sweetness of something, compare the sweetness, compare the taste, sweet taste. We can compare it with honey, okay? Because honey is very tasty, honey is very sweet. Isn't honey, you like the honey the most? So when we have to compare, if I have to compare a person that this person is very sweet, We can say, yes, Ram, you are as sweet as a honey. Okay, now when you have to compare a good sweet thing, sweet person, you can compare. You are as good as or as sweet as a honey. Okay, as sweet as a honey. Okay, as slow as a. Now when we have to compare the slow thing, the person or the thing or the boy or the girl or the student is slow. If suppose somebody is writing very slowly, or he is walking very slowly, or he is eating very slowly, okay, then we can compare that person with a snail. You have seen the snail? Snail you have seen? Animal with like this type of animal is there, snail. So we can say as slow as a snail. As slow as a snail. The snail walk the slow, very slow they walk. So we can compare the slow thing with the snail. Okay. Let's learn some more examples. Okay, now we will learn some more examples here. Okay, so as busy as a bee. You can see the bee. You have seen the bee. They are very busy. All the time bee will go to the flower. They will collect the nectar. They will come. Again they will go. All the time they are very busy. Okay. As clear as a crystal. You have seen the crystal? Diamond type. So it is very clear. You can see all the layers of the crystal. So we can say as clear as crystal. We can also say as clear as water. As clear as water, because we can see the water. It is colorless. So it is very clear. As good as gold. Gold is always good. Gold is always precious. So we can say as good as gold. As free as a bird. Because God has gifted the bird a feather, so they can go anywhere they wish. They can come and sit at your home. They can come and sit at the trees. Where they wish, they can go. They can fly. They can move anywhere without any hesitation. So as free as bird. As large as life. As large as life, as my life or as our life is very large, from 1 year to 50, 60 years. So as large as our life. As large as life. As wise as an owl. You know that owl is the wisest bird. Owl is very clever. They are very wise. So we can compare. If suppose in our class there is a boy who is very wise, we can compare him. Suppose his name is Subhash. We can say Subhash is as wise as an owl. Okay. As wise as an owl. Next is as big as an elephant. When we have to compare anything, we can say this room is as big as an elephant. This toy is as big as an elephant. Okay. As light as a feather. As light as a feather. You have seen the feather? Feather of a bird's, feather of the one feather you can see here and there. So you can, when you will pick it up and when you will touch, you will feel very light. It has no weight. So as light as a feather. Next is as bright as the sun. As I already given you the example, when you have to compare the face, just see the face. My face, you can see it is fair enough. So you can compare. Teacher, your face is as bright as the sun. Okay. Next is as tall as the giraffe. If you see a person, very tall person, you can say, uncle, you are very tall. You are as tall as a giraffe. Okay. Suppose you hope you have unlearned the lesson. Just learn it. Go for some more examples. Learn some more examples of similes. These what we have studied is a similes. Learn some more example of similes and use in your conversation when you are talking to someone, when you are just talking to your mother or father. You can say to the mother, you are as beautiful as a princess. You can say your father, papa, you are as strong as the superheroes. Okay, you can say your sister, you are very beautiful, you are as beautiful as a peacock, as bright as peacock. Our hair are as black as coal, we can say. So everywhere we are comparing. We are comparing now. So when we compare, we use similes. Okay. Now you have to learn these similes and you have to use it. So today tell your parents, tell your neighbors, tell your friends, talk to them, use in conversation the similes. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. 28 हो गया